Hi there, it's Andrew from EveryCatch. Welcome to another weekly updates roundup. This week, we're looking at 13 updates for the week of the 20th to the 26th of July 2026. Among them, we're looking at refreshed placeholder images in Store Builder, rebuilt course progress analytics, inline validation errors for schema markup, JSON view, and client portal, file upload notifications for account admins and users. First up, refreshed placeholder images in Store Builder. EveryCatch now uses updated illustration-style placeholder images across e-commerce store pages and store elements in the page builder. It removes a little more friction from everyday work. Following on from that, there's Rebuilt Course Progress Analytics. Rebuilt Course Progress Analytics is now available in EveryCatch, giving you a faster and more reliable way to see how learners move through your courses. Automations can respond to useful events more naturally. Another useful change is inline validation errors for schema markup JSON view. EveryCatch has improved the schema markup JSON view in the website and funnel builder, so you can now see validation errors directly on the specific lines that need attention. It should be easier to keep website content consistent as you build. Now let's look at Client Portal. File upload notifications for account admins and users. Account admins and team members can now receive in-app notifications whenever a contact uploads a file through the EveryCatch Client Portal. You can connect more of the process without extra manual steps.
Are you finding these updates useful? Remember to like and subscribe. Now, back to your updates.
Following on from that, there's generate submission documents for forms, surveys, and quizzes. Capturing responses is helpful, and it becomes even more useful when you can instantly turn them into professional, printable documents. Automations can respond to useful events more naturally. Another workflow update is automatically associate CRM records with workflows. You can now use the new Associate Records workflow action in EveryCatch to automatically link related records in your CRM based on matching field values. Routine follow-up work becomes easier to keep moving. Now let's look at layers in Certificate and Badge Builder. EveryCatch now includes a dedicated layers panel in the Certificate and Badge Builder, so you can easily see how elements are stacked, keep important pieces fixed in place, and spot broken custom field placeholders. You can connect more of the process without extra manual steps. Following on from that, there's Save Progress for forms, surveys, and quizzes. Long forms are now easier for your respondents to complete. Automations can respond to useful events more naturally.
Want the full breakdown? You'll find every update, screenshot, and extra detail in the EveryCatch Updates section. See the link in the description.
Another workflow update is new templates. There are new templates across websites, funnels, email campaigns, forms, surveys, social posts, ads, and snapshots. They give you a quicker starting point when you're building new marketing assets. We're only showing a few examples here, but you can see the full set of template images in the updates section. Routine follow-up work becomes easier to keep moving. Now let's look at custom credential expiration for certificates. EveryCatch now lets you set custom expiration rules for your certificates and templates, so you can decide exactly how long issued credentials stay valid. Reschedules should be clearer for both the team and the customer. Moving on to schema markup, auto-generation on website, funnel, and webinar publish. EveryCatch now includes a new setting, auto-generate schema, that automatically creates schema markup for any page you publish that doesn't already have it. Updates to site and funnel content become quicker to handle. Another useful change is new templates. There are new templates across websites, funnels, email campaigns, forms, surveys, social posts, ads, and snapshots. They give you a quicker starting point when you're building new marketing assets. We're only showing a few examples here, but you can see the full set of template images in the updates section. And finally, enhanced sell products experience in forms and surveys. Selling through EveryCatch forms and surveys is now smoother and easier to set up. It removes a little more friction from everyday work. That's it from me for now. See you again next week for another update.